Today I am going to show you how to insert hyperlink in MS PowerPoint. Open a PowerPoint presentation, select the text which you want to hyperlink. For example, I want to hyperlink this text PowerPoint. Simply select it, right click and select the link option. A dialog box will appear. There are multiple options in this insert hyperlink dialog box. Either you want to insert hyperlink in the existing file or web page, you want to insert hyperlink or place in this document, create new document, and email address. Let me show you each of these. For the first, I am going to place in this document. Simply select the slide number which you want to hyperlink and click OK. The color also changes along with the underline. The text become underlined and the color also changes. When I move my cursor to the text, Control plus click to follow the link. Control and I am going to click it. It will redirect me to that slide. Now I am going to insert hyperlink with a new text document. For example, Excel, link, create new document. Simply name of new document, Excel link. Show it the full path of your computer where you want to save it. Want to edit it later or would you want to edit it now? Click OK. Click to it. Now you can have this slide details which you want to write in the new link. Now insert hyperlink with a web page. Select it, insert link, web page. For this you have to copy the web page address or the browser address of that link. Simply you have to copy the link, paste it over here link and click OK. Simply Control plus click to follow the link, and here also mentioning the address of that video. And if you want to do it for email address, simply link, email address, write the email address, the subject, anything you want, and simply click OK. It is mentioning you the email address, or click Control plus click to follow the link. For more details and updates, like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.